Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we have day 9, the advent calendars. Day 9's here, pretty easy one to spot. Yep. Those come off. What's that bows? Upside down, we already know what it is. Let's move on to the next one. Day 9, right at the bottom again. It'll be easy to open. Probably not. Nope. It's like grape. Yeah, grape flavored. Yep. Little bell. Tastes like grapes. Not the best kind though. Other flavors are much better than that one. Now for the warheads, super sour. Where is day 9? Oh, right there. It's like orange. Orange for today. There we go. Doesn't have a smell to it. It's kind of expecting that since it's orange. Usually orange one might be strong. Nope. Not even sour. It's just kind of... I was expecting that one to be very strong, but no. The flavor itself is strong, but not the sourness. Which is kind of disappointing. Oh, on to the next one. On to the last one. Let's see. Day 9. 13. That's definitely day 9. Definitely not day 6. Alright. Sticky tape's a little bit, making it a little difficult to open. Looks like a chevron amethyst. Let's see, what does it say on the little tag? Chevron amethyst humble. It's quite a nice one actually. Alright, that's been day 9 of the advent calendars. Be sure to like and subscribe, and see you all for the next one.